Hi everybody, welcome back to the What Now Workshop. Today I'm building another sign, except this one is for my father. However, he doesn't know that I'm building it for him, so it's kind of a surprise. But we're going to reveal that at the end of this video. Today it's a little hot outside, so I'm kind of working inside with the garage door open. So let's take a look at what we got so far. Okay, so you've already seen how a sign is made. There's really no point in showing you that again. Obviously, you've seen it in one of my previous videos. But the sign that I chose to make for my father is this old, new, in quotations, workshop. Reason being is because he's always wanted a workshop of his own. And, well, frankly, he's finally gotten one. And he's in the process of getting it all set up the way he wants, where he wants all of his tools, his shelves, his storage space, etc. So I thought it'd be a great idea to make him a sign to hang in his workshop. And gives me another project to do. So what I've done is I've used an old piece of repurposed wood, one of probably the last pieces that I've got, made this sign for him. And I'm planning on trimming out the outside edges with what is called astragal. Now, astragal is a piece of wood that actually goes between two doors. So if you have a double door den in your house, most likely they used a piece of wood like this that separates or allows the door to close to one side and the other door this attaches to. So my trim guys kind of left a bunch of pieces behind, and well, you know, I either cut it up for firewood or I use it for something. So today I'm using that as a frame piece. So as you can see, I bought a new shop vac, which is working great. I'm able to cut stuff inside and not worry about the dust. So what I've done is I've already cut some pieces, and these pieces are actually going to make a frame for my sign. So really all there is to do now is attach these pieces together, make the frame. I'm going to remove the frame from this piece so that way I can paint it, because I'm going to do these separately. I'm going to paint this outside edge, and then I'm going to paint the letters kind of like I did with our sign for our What Now workshop. And then I'm going to sand it. I'm going to stain the top, attach the frame. This project will be done, but the good part is that we're going to be going on the road to my father's house. We're going to deliver this, and we are going to surprise him with this new sign for his workshop. A little backstory on this is he was a huge fan of, and probably still is, of the show This Old House. So I thought about making a sign that said This Old New House. However, he's got himself a workshop. So why not call it This Old New Workshop? We'll see if he likes it. Okay, so we have our sign painted. It's sanded. The frame is also touched up and sanded as well. And this goes on a specific way. Now all we have to do is paint the frame, stain the top, attach the frame, clear coat it, and we're going to deliver this. Okay, so here's our finished sign. As you can see, turned out pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. So this afternoon what we're going to be doing is delivering it to my dad's house. Pretty sure he's going to be surprised. Okay, so we're here at my dad's workshop, going to be delivering his surprise. Here he is now. Howdy.
Hello.
This is for you.
Is it?
I hope you like it.
Oh, goody. Uh-huh.
Hopefully I didn't hand it to you upside down.
No, you didn't. How about that, huh? You've been working hard, haven't you?
I have.
Even smells new.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So hopefully that will hang in his workshop, which he's got a pretty awesome workshop now. I hope to come over here and build some stuff with him at some point instead of using my little garage. So as always, thank you for watching my YouTube channel, Lamppost Builds. See you next time in the What Now workshop. Okay, so that was actually a lot of fun, taking this on the road to deliver my dad's sign to him. I know he was pretty happy about it. He wasn't expecting it. I'm very happy that I was able to make him a sign for his workshop. I know he'll love it. But I appreciate you for tagging along. Appreciate you for watching my videos. And as always, make sure you hit like, subscribe. If you've got some content that you'd like to see, let me know about it. Put it in the comment section below. Otherwise, see you next time in the What Now workshop.